Guys, welcome back. Princess Supai here. If it's your first time on my channel, you're very much welcome. Guys, for today's video, I decided to create this smoky eye look. I hope you guys like it. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and share this channel. Like this video as well. Without further ado, guys, let's get right into this video. Okay guys, so I'll just use my brow pencil to outline my brows and fill it in, and then I'll clean it up using my LA Girl concealer in the shade Toffee. Just use the concealer to line the brows, make it look neat. And then I'll blend out the excess concealer and brush my brows using my spoolie. Then I would prime my eyelids using my LA Girl primer for eyeshadow, and then I'll go in with that gray shade for right there, and using the when I say the shade in between gray and black, then I'll blend, and then I'll go with the black shade. And I'll blend. Okay, so I'll fix my lashes. I have a video on this and I'll leave the link in the description box below, so please check it out. I'll prime my face using my Rimmel Stay Matte Primer. Blend out the primer. Use my foundation from Mary Kay. Then I'll blend using my Damn Beauty blender. Then I'll highlight my face using my LA Girl concealer in the shade Toffee. I have a video on how I highlight and contour, so please check it out in the description box below. I'll blend with my Damn Beauty blender. Apply my Sacha Buttercup setting powder to the places I just highlighted. Blend and dust off excess powder. Then I'll contour my face using my LA Girl concealer in the shade Espresso. Blend. Then I'll apply my contour powder from Mary Kay. And I'll blend. Blend, blend, blend. Blend and dust of excess powder. Then I'll go with that black for my lower lid. And then I'll apply my eyeliner from NYX to my lower lash line. And I'll apply my mascara from Maybelline. Then I'll just blend out that eyeshadow. And then I'll apply my blush. Set my face using my setting spray. Then I'll highlight my face using my Beauty Creations Glow palette. Highlight my inner tear ducts too. Then I'll draw on my lip liner using my J-Cat Beauty lip liner in the shade Rosewood. And then I'll apply my lipstick from Wet n Wild. And I'll blend Then I'll apply my gloss and blend. So guys, this is it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you did, give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe and share. And with that guys, I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching and bye bye.